This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Sportsman 6x6 570. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. In the front of the vehicle, you will find the front bumper, headlights, radiator access panel, radiator, and winch if equipped. The front cover can be opened by unhooking the two front latches. Underneath, you'll find a fuse panel, battery, radiator access cover, and the toolkit with the following: under the front right side of the vehicle, you'll find the coolant overflow bottle and the rear brake master cylinder. Moving to the front suspension, you will find the shock assembly, seal dual A-arms, tie rod, CV boots and axle, and ball joints. The left handlebar will contain the front brake lever, parking brake, headlight switch, engine stop switch, front master brake cylinder, reverse override switch, which allows the rider to gain additional speed while in reverse, and the winch switch if equipped. In the center, you'll find the high beam headlight adjustment, drive mode switch, spare auxiliary slots, instrument cluster, 12-volt auxiliary socket, battery charging port, ignition switch, and the fuel cap. Moving to the right handlebar, you'll find the all-wheel drive momentary switch and the throttle lever. On the right side of the vehicle, you'll find the gear shifter, rear brake pedal, and the oil dipstick access panel. Underneath the driver's seat is the air filter box, spark plug, and the oil fill cap. Behind the driver's seat is the passenger handholds and backrest, bucket storage cutouts, cargo box, tilt levers located on both sides, tailgate, and tail and brake lights. Also, in the rear of the vehicle, you'll find the hitch receiver. Underneath the cargo box on the right side is the exhaust with spark arrestor. The middle suspension contains the shock assembly, sealed dual A-arms, and the CV boots and axle. The rearmost suspension contains the shock assembly, sway bar and sway bar link, sealed dual A-arms, and the CV boots and axle. The VIN label is located on the left rear vehicle chassis frame. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.